Shaira have coupons. Shaira said, I want eat chocolate. At night time we go outside now to 7-Eleven and I will buy for her chocolate. Yeah, only just walk little bit only. Okay. I not use camera, I just take iPhone. Maybe little bit filming, I don't know. Are you tired, Shaira? Tired, I know. But why you're so big? So it's your or maybe my?
Here.
Huh? For air. Okay. And I try to upload a video in the lobby because in our room Wi-Fi is not good. Very slow connection. But here have internet also. Later I will try in the lobby. Outside still so many people. Marina, Central Marina already closed. Tatnea massage. Many lady boys. I don't want filming there. Shaira don't like. Shaira said, remove your phone. Shaira, do you allow me take video on Nea Marina Arcade? Okay, let's go. Don't have cars. If Shaira allowed, that's okay. I can take video here. Already far. She want to run. See street food here. People see it also. Copyright music, of course, I will cut this music. Marina music. Do you like Shaira? Shaira won't sing song. I know. I want to walk a little bit. Take a look what they sell at night. If Shaira allowed me take video, it's okay, I will take video now. It's Indian souvenirs. This is also Indian. And the Philippines also the same have. Thailand. No, it's not dry, not for dry. Not good. Your size, not.
It's for baby.
It's for baby, sorry. Okay. For baby. Okay. Baby elephant.
Because baby
So many souvenirs. Gold, silver. 24 karat gold. Good looking bus. Alcohol, different kind of alcohol. No problem. Seafood, pad thai 150. Chicken pad thai, shrimp pad thai. I never tried pad thai, really. Shaira, did you try before pad thai? Huh? Pad thai. I never tried pad thai. Hi?
Philippines have also good.
In the Philippines have pad thai? Cocktail, alcohol, so many alcohol. Free parking. We don't have car. Spa, massage. They fix the road right now. It's good. Soon will open Korean restaurant. Yeah, it's Korean. Korean language. Maybe restaurant. Of course not bar. 31.40 US dollar. Drugstore. Indian food, Thai food. Oh, Russian food also. Пельмени, chicken, борщ, вареники, potato. Interesting. Indian, Thai and Russian foods in one restaurant. Oh, menu. I will show to you menu. Okay. It's an Indian restaurant. You can pause and read. Okay, special set menu. Not need special. Okay, no good. Special menu for you have also. We already know fruits. We always buy fruits before. Yesterday we bought mango.
Hello, big boss.
Hi. Yes, regular customer. For cheaper here. 40 baht only. Here 40 baht only coconut. Cheaper than in another places. Before 70. Yeah, Chinese people like this. Chinatown. What is 7-Eleven? Okay. 7-Eleven. Okay, don't have card because 11 p.m. already. I don't know about quality of video because I use only iPhone for filming. Maybe quality not good. Okay, inside 7-Eleven, of course, I will not filming, but only outside. Outside. Shaira faster run inside 7. This is 7-Eleven, very busy always. So many people. Okay, let's go. Choose what you want, Shaira. Okay. What we bought, Shaira, show.
Bread.
Bread. Shaira want bread.
And
What is this?
bread also.
Also bread. Another.
Bread
It's for me. What is this?
for me.
Yes, it's for Shaira. Okay, not need to show. Okay. Oh, big truck with gas. Gasoline maybe. Expensive. Gasoline now. Already fixed here road. So fast here, so fast same in China. What we sell here? Камагра. Окей. Chocolate. Okay, thank you for watching. We're going to hotel.
Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like.